use your name in this quiet room. I feel alone, but your love wraps around me like a warm tongue. The world outside is gray and cold, but in my heart your warmth unfolds. I close my eyes and I can see the way you smile, it comforts me. Though the storm is raging outside, in my dreams you're by my side. With every heartbeat I feel your grace, in the shadows I see your face. So I'll hold on to this love you share. Through the rain I know you care. In this moment we're intertwined. With every drop our hearts align. Raindrops fall but I'm not afraid. In your arms I've got it made. Sick at home but love's my cure. In this storm I feel secure. The clock ticks slow but time stands still. With every thought I feel the thrill. Your laughter echoes in the air, a sweet reminder that you're always there. Even when the skies turn dark, you're the light that leaves a mark. With every storm that comes our way, our love you'll know with every day. So I'll hold on to this love we share.